Hey guys, it's Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the Walmart grocery haul and the weekly meal plan. Everything that you see here was roughly about $45. I'm going to try to change it up a little bit and try to put the prices of each item down below. Well, not down below, but somewhere on the screen it will most likely pop up. And yeah, so let's just get started. First, we're just going to go over the weekly meal plan. So this is just a rough draft that I made. Monday, we're going to have shake and bake pork chops because we did not have it. And we're going to have some broccoli. Tuesday, we're going to have some chicken wings with a cauliflower side. And I'm going to let y'all know about that in a minute. Wednesday is tacos. Thursday is leftovers. Friday is fish with zucchini because we have that salmon in the fridge that we are going to need to eat. And then Saturday's out to eat / birthday for his sister and our brother-in-law. So anyways, this is everything. This is an overview real quick. All right. So over here we have some 18-count eggs that we needed. We got some gala apples for Jared. We got some extra large shrimp. Half a gallon of milk. I needed some more coffee creamer because I've been drinking a lot of coffee. Sour cream for some tacos. I picked up a pack of water. You guys, if y'all have been to Walmart, there's no paper towels and there's hardly any water bottles. Thank God I'm good on paper towels. I don't know why we're having a shortage of it. And then cleaning product because I coupon and everything. So I just picked up one pack of drinking water. Jared won some Lipton iced tea peach. We got some cookie dough ice cream. Now, make sure you go and check Walmart because there was a lot of clearance. Not at mine, but I have been watching other people going to Walmart. And there is clearance on ice cream. So go and check that out. I picked up this protein pack only because I just needed something to snack on because I think we're leaving at 2 o'clock for a bachelorette trip in Florida. So I just picked up this. Is dry cured hard salami with provolone cheese and dark chocolate almonds. So I thought that this was a really good snack and it'll be fulfilling because it's a lot of protein. So we're going to eat that. Got 2 avocados for tacos, a zucchini for the fish, I believe, tomatoes for the taco. The cauliflower is for buffalo cauliflower. So it's pretty much I think it's like egg, flour, and then you put it in the oven and then toss it, take it out, toss it with some buffalo sauce, put it back in the oven, and it literally tastes like chicken wings. It's not, it's not chicken wings, but it's similar and it's really good. So we're going to have this with chicken wings on the side. Then I picked up this medium wing sauce. Picked up Jerry some potato chips. I got myself some hot fries. Absolutely love these. Everybody said that you shouldn't eat these hot fries because you can get like intestinal problems. But I mean, they're so good. Why not, you guys? And then we picked up a flour tortilla. Now, I did not buy my newspaper this week because I'm actually filming this on Friday because I'll be in Florida for 3 weeks. But I wanted to go shopping. I wanted to upload this video for you guys so y'all can watch my grocery hauls because I know a lot of y'all who are subscribed to me and who are not subscribed to me like to come over and watch it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe because there's like a lot of people that's not subscribed and I would love to get to know you guys. But anyways, I hope y'all have a great week. And like I said, this was $45. And make sure you subscribe down below and hit that notification. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.